Now, every single person in the crypto space is trying to make some money trading meme coins, but I stopped trading and I started launching, and that's why my entire Phantom wallet has $7.4 million. Let me show you the exact strategy that makes it happen. I used to trade meme coins every single day on the blockchain, but there's a reason why I stopped, because every single time I bought inside a meme coin, guess what? It turned into a complete loss. I would buy in, trade it, and then after a couple minutes, boom, the dev would dump on my fucking head and I would basically become exit liquidity, and that's why I stopped trading and I started launching. Because launching changed everything, because when you launch, you control the chart instead of getting dumped on, okay? You risk absolutely nothing because you are the creator and making coins is free, okay? But trading coins will drain your balance. And even though the market is kinda down, right, deving coins works in all sorts of markets. You can turn like $0 into like 1k and just repeat this over and over again. That's exactly why I'm making this video. Keep watching. Now, obviously, bro, everything is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice, so just don't copy me, right? Okay. Now, a lot of people, when they start deving or launching or, doing whatever the fuck they want, right? They go to Pump.Fun directly to launch their first meme coin. But that's a mistake, and that's why you have to be... And that's a mistake, because Pump.Fun is oversaturated, there's too many coins, and you don't even control your own liquidity. That's why I would highly recommend to stay away from launching coins on here if you're looking for consistent gains, profits, and money, because your coin needs to reach a $85,000 market cap for it to be migrated onto the Raydium DEX. And yeah, bro, I would highly recommend to stay away, and I would highly recommend to switch to create coins.io, because this launchpad changes everything. Okay, create coins.io pushes your coin straight to Raydium. It will be immediately migrated and shown to tens and thousands of potential traders live on the fucking when it's created. Okay, you will get instant trading, real visibility on everything, and that's why a bunch of people are switching to create coins.io, because it's way more profitable. Now, here's officially how to make a meme coin on createcoins.io and launch it on Raydium on the blockchain for all the people to buy in, okay? It's super easy. It's easier to do it than to say it, okay? Trust me, you guys will see. Now, first of all, you have the option to create a custom coin on the blockchain. So first of all, you have to find a good narrative. So go on X and look for something trending. It could be literally anything, right? I like to go for some type of news, political news, just something decent, right? It could be something funny too. I mean, I don't know. Usually Elon Musk tweets do really well. Nah. I think my FYP is a bit fucked. Anyways, once you have a narrative, bro, come back to createcoins.io, invent a name, add a symbol, then add a quick image, and just like that, your meme coin is created, custom made. But the second way to make a meme coin is actually the most lucrative, the most profitable, and the easiest by far, and that's by copying trending coins. Now, all these coins are already proven to go viral. They already have a shit ton of buyers and a high fucking market cap. So by copying these coins, you are basically guaranteeing yourself some buyers, some visibility, and a lot of fucking traction. That's why I love copying coins, because bro, you are riding existing hype and you're making money off of it, bro. Like, copying coins is a cheat code. I would do a live example. Alright, let's get straight into it. I'm going to launch a coin right now live so you can see how fast the whole process really is. Okay, and we will see our profits by the end when we dump the coin. Now, first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. Then click on this blue button to refresh and have all your new coins. And now let's look for a coin to copy. I will copy the orange coin. It looks decent, right? It's funny. It has the last buy 3 seconds ago. Click on create coin. Then ignore the block, just proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then your coin should be officially copied on chain. Just give it a couple seconds. Boom. And if I go on scan, you guys can see that it is on chain, everything is legit, everything works. But now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step is easy. We're just adding liquidity. This is what makes your token go live on Raydium so people can instantly buy or sell the moment it is created, bro. This is where all the magic and all the money happens, okay? Now for the amount token A, just make sure you tap on 90%. That is gonna drop 900 million tokens. You are keeping 10% of the supply. Right under for the amount token B, this is basically your first buy on your own chart. You are not losing any SOL. It is simply locking the pool up so the market can open. The minimum for the first buy is 0.3 SOL, and when you remove the liquidity later, every bit of that SOL comes right back to your wallet, so we have nothing to lose, right? I'm going to put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more to be safe, and once again, you are going to get this back later, bro. It's just the first buy, and since you own the coin, well, you'll get back later. Click on create pool, then ignore the block once again, proceed, confirm, understand, confirm, and boom! Okay, when that is done, click on refresh, scroll down, and boom, the orange coin is on live. You have 900 million tokens pulled in, and your official profits are right here. And if you click on the refresh button to check your profits in real time, now we're up 145 bucks because well, people are buying our coin, and that is the beauty of deving coins. We are seeing like basically results right after launch. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart, or Axum or Nova. It's all up to you. I like to go on Photon, and then let me go on full screen. And now the coin is live. Let's fucking go. Come on, pump, 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 pump. Okay, not bad. Okay, we're getting decent fucking buys. Okay, $25 right here, 1.4k market cap. Things are looking good. 1k liquidity, bro. You guys gotta tap in, bro. We're getting a shit ton of transactions right out the spot. Oh my god, bro. Someone just bought for $80, bro. That's absolutely insane. What the fuck? Okay. Oh, someone sold, but we just got a $30 buy. Oh, okay. Not bad. Guys, this is why you gotta be deving, because, bro, we created this coin for $0, and now we're getting a lot of traction. Okay, I will give this coin a bit of time for it to pump, and I will be right back to dump the coin. Okay, guys, I am back, and we are at a 1.6k liquidity, 3.4k in market cap. Things are looking decent. It is going up and down, up and down, and up and down. So here I expect it for it to go up. But now, if you want to make some money, come back to createcoins.io, and obviously, bro, click on the classic refresh. And now, as you guys can see, we're up $1,62,000 in profits, which is not too shabby. Now, if you want to make some money, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money, and then obviously, bro, ignore the block, proceed, confirm, understand, confirm, and bang! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make some generational money, right? Now, if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, because a bunch of y'all do not believe me, bro, boom, $1,700 went straight inside my Phantom wallet. Everything is legit, bro, and even though the market is down, we are still able to make a couple $1,000. Obviously, this is all for educational purposes only, but tap in.